Gabby in? Oh, sorry. I forgot Amelia's only in the background. Okay. Yeah, we'll do this. Hey guys, it's Gabby and special guest here, Hugz4Pandas. So, yes, that's Sophia. Don't mind my really blue house. So, I just bought a lot of the pass thingies. I brought the double story mode and so I can place it anywhere. But I don't know if I like it. So I'm still seeing. Sure. But yeah. Okay, so here's coming. Wait, where's my car, by the way? Oh, it's in the garage. Forgot that I have. I found your house. Where's my door? Yeah. Well, it's kind of easy to see now. Yeah. We're gonna go. Oh, Sophia. Your driving skills. Okay. Okay. No, I cannot stop. Kick this door. I can't reach it. Okay. 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 So Amelia is here. And what? It's not ours. Ours is probably over there. Yeah. So we're going to Sophia's house, which her house is really nice. Why didn't you come from bed? See her hair. Okay, so Amelia is here. Hi guys. And Sophia. Oops, wrong way. Sophia has a really nice house. Look at her house. I'm so bad at this. Okay. There you go. Oh, you just put the doors that just open like that. Nice. I'm gonna give you a little tour of her house. So this is like a TV cinema room. Okay, next. Here's like the kitchen room / dining table room. Kitchen. No, all of that. Then I'm usually a baby because we role play and stuff. But this is Sophia's bedroom where she sleeps and stuff. And now, next room. Dun dun dun. This is my room. I've seen that. No one was spared, not even the children. SpongeBob. What? What cookie? Just dabbing, you know. I got a girl that's dabbing here. She doesn't really care what she's doing. Wait, which one? Which finger? Which finger? I will never dab on this channel ever again. That's a lie, I probably would. Empty room. Empty room. Boys' bedroom. All that good stuff. Now let's go downstairs. This stairs here to go down, but I just jumped downstairs. No, I didn't. I need to still do the downstairs. Okay, panda. Make a panda. Pikachu dabbing. I don't know what that is. It's an animal on a laptop. A panda, you know, Amelia. Well, this is like a kid's bedroom, but Amelia mostly does it. Stuff. Yeah, because Amelia really likes the anime stuff. So what? I want shower. Okay, it's better. Oh wait, I really do need a shower. My hygiene is at 10%. I take really good care of my girl, you know. Do you like lose everything when you're offline? Cause I remember everything was up when I left the game. Okay. Mine is almost nearly 100%. Oh dear. You did your eyelash? Okay, hygiene is up. Hygiene is up. I really want to get my energy up a little more because I want to run. Let's just go sleep in the baby crib. Okay. I don't want to because I want to work as well. I need to get money. I'm kind of poor. I'm kind of poor, so yeah. I know. Okay. What? Okay. Okay. Pretty good. Bored. Let me just play with some toys. Even though I'm a teen. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay. Wait, am I actually a kid in this? Wait, I think I'm still a kid. Oh, I thought I was a teen the whole time. Are you sure? Are you sure? Because I'm really small. It's okay. I'm playing with my little toys. I want to use this spray can. Next. We'll do parts though. Parts. Yeah, we'll do some parts. Eh. Video parts. God. Okay, everyone. Weirdo, you know. The only person that's not a weirdo here is me. No, you're a weirdo. I want to change these paintings. Okay, this girl, I need her because she's my supporting dabber. The one you did. I just like doing reading ones so I can read them. I don't get it. I don't get it. Please help me. No, it didn't change. I don't get it. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, let's change my SpongeBob. Let's go down. Trying to see everything. There's a picture of Yummy XOX. Yummy. Right here. Yeah. There's nothing happen. Okay, like that. Do you have this in the Now I'm really hungry, so I'm just gonna. That's cold. Stop. Stop! Take quick meal. Yogurt. I've never tried the yogurt in this. It's pretty. That's actually pretty good. Okay. Let's eat some cereal now. Okay, wait, what? Okay. Oh no, I'm a team, don't worry, because I can make food. I'm making cereal right now. It takes such a long time. Pour in the cereal, then the milk, okay? Okay, yeah. We're feeling great right now. No, she's been back the whole entire time. I've been lying to you. Do you have some motorbike? Okay, well, I'm gonna take it, whoever has the motorbike. The motorbike's feisty, man. I'm not a man. You're dumb. Go back to school. Oh, wait. Wait. Okay, it's a red light. Stop. Okay. Hey. Same thing. Hey. Taylor Swift here. It's I, the Taylor Swift. I like putting my thumbs up. You're going ice skating? Why? How did you get that? Where are you? Where the hell are you? No. Okay. Let me get off this stupid bike and go into the good bike. Okay. I'm naked right now. Okay, I'm good now. I'm here. You could have just said ice cream place or beach or fisherman place. I'm not gonna listen to you. I'll follow my dreams, my heart, follow my destiny. Are you serious? You go as soon as I get here? Oh, I'm gonna spin. Whoa! Look at the moves, man. Why am I so slow? I just wanna. Wait. Get pink shoes. Do you get nice purple ones? Really? What? I need the yellows. Oh. Give me a green. No, that's pink. You got yellow now. Do I have orange or yellow? Oops! Look at them skills. Oh. Well, they're nice anyway. Oh my god, why are we so slow? Ooh! Okay, I'm just gonna jump there. Do you have that song stuck in your head? Okay, guys, well, I think we're gonna end it here. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe because why not? Cause I can! Adios. Adios, amigos. Ciao.